Hello everyone! Presenting one of the city in North Norway. Bodø is a municipality in Nordland County, Norway. It is part of the traditional region of Salten. The administrative center of the municipality is the town of Bodø, which is also the capital of Nordland County. Some of the notable villages in Bodø include Misvær, Kjærstad, Saltstraumen, Lodding, Loppsmarka, Kjerringøy, Sørvær, and Fennes. The 1,395 square kilometer, 539 municipality is the 66th largest by area out of the 357 municipalities in Norway. Bodø is the 90th most populous municipality in Norway with a population of 53,712. The municipality population density is 38.5 inhabitants per square kilometer, 100 square meter, and its population has increased by 8% over the previous 10-year period. The municipality of Bodø is located just north of the Arctic Circle and the town of Bodø. Population 42,831, about 80% of the residents of the municipality. Is the largest urban area in town and country, and the second largest town in North Norway. Bodø was named one of the European Capitals of Culture for 2024. It is also home to football club Bodø/Glimt, the northernmost club to win a European National League competition, namely Eliteserien, the Championship of Norway. The village of Bodø was granted town status in 1816 and soon after in 1818. It was known for the Bodø affair, smuggling of contraband cargo by British merchants that later were compensated by Norway, which was then in Sweden-Norway dual monarchy. The town of Bodø was established as a municipality on January 1, 1836. On January 1, 1938, a part of the neighboring Budin municipality, population 559, was transferred into the town of Bodø. On January 1, 1959, another part of Budin municipality, population 1,303, was transferred into the town of Bodø. During the 1960s, there were many municipal mergers across Norway due to the work of the Sky Committee. On January 1, 1968, the town of Bodø, population 14,252, was merged with Budin municipality, population 13,323, and this created the much larger Bodø municipality. On January 1, 1984, the Tornvike and Øygarden areas, population 22, northeast of the village of Kjerringøy in Sørfold municipality, was transferred to Bodø municipality on January 1, 2005. Kjærstad municipality was merged into Bodø municipality. Most of the town of Bodø was destroyed during a Luftwaffe attack on May 27, 1940. Of the 6,000 people living in Bodø, 3,500 lost their homes in the attack. 15 people died during the air attack, 2 British soldiers and 13 Norwegians. Due to the acute lack of housing, the Swedish government helped build 107 apartments in the winter of 1941. These houses were built tightly together just outside the town. This small area today in the heart of Bodø is still called Svenska byen, the Swedish town. The town was subsequently rebuilt after the war. The rebuilding ended in 1959 with the completion of the new town hall. German shipping in the around Bodø was attacked in October 1943 in Operation Leader. Off Bodø, the submarine HMS Surtees was lost on or around March 28, 1944, with all hands. Her location is currently unknown.